Hello there. You can see I have written a question for you on the board, and I would urge you to read the question which is there on the board. Remember, this question has been taken from the sample paper which CBC have published a few months ago, and I have taken up this question from there, as it is believed that this kind of questions are going to come in your grammar section. Now, when we go into the question, what do we need to first assess in the question? Let us see the question. The question says that, Radha, do you know how to swim? The next part, Shikha, that means there are two characters who are speaking to each other. Yes, I know, I have learned it during this summer vacation. Now let us take this part of the sentence and let me rewrite this over here on this side of the board. It says that, do you know how to swim? Now, if we want to write, or if I put it like this, Radha said, comma, then double inverted comma, do you know how swim? If this part of the question, if I write it like this, it reminds you of a chapter that we have learned in English grammar. Can you guess? Yes, you are guessing it correctly. That is reported speech. In this year's question paper, these kind of questions are expected. Hence, it becomes very important for you to understand from which chapter this question has been extracted. Okay, so you see the first statement of Radha, I have written it in like this. Now, if I ask you to change it into indirect, it will be very easy for you. But the question is not like that. Now, let us check when all of these things are written in indirect speech. It says that Radha asked Shikha if or whether she knew how to swim. Then the next part of the question, then Shikha replied in affirmative and also added that she dashed. Now we will have to find out from the dialogue which part do we have to answer in this. Okay, so we will go back to the conversation and we will check that this is already written. Fine. That means we will have to write this in indirect speech over here. Now, while we change the reported speech from direct to indirect, at that point there are certain things that we have to first understand. So, which part we have to answer? This part we have to answer. Basically, our answer should be from here to here. So we will quickly go back and read. It is saying over here, I have learned it during this summer vacation. So here there is a change of tense. So for that we have to identify the verb in the sentence. I have learned. So over here this is the verb. Okay, and this is also a word, but this is an auxiliary. Have is the auxiliary verb. Now have learned, it is in which form? It is in its present perfect form. How? Have is in present tense. We have learned that have always comes in present tense. Learn is the V3, the past participle form. So when there is a present tense and just followed by the present tense there is a verb which is in its V3 form, then we say to be present perfect. Now, in a chapter we have also learned if we have to change this, if we have to change present perfect, it changes to past perfect. If we have figured this out, therefore, what we can do, we can convert this and write it as the answer. So, therefore, your answer will be like this. It is said, then Shikha replied in affirmative and also added that she have will become had, past Had is past perfect. That means this learned remains as it is because it is said perfect. So V3 we will have to write that she had learned it during. This changes to that. Word and time change also we have learned. So this will change to that. Okay. Here also we have to change as per our learning with the word and time change references. So this will change to that. That summer vacation. Clear? So this should be your answer. And this is how you are going to do these kind of questions. Remember, there are few more questions which are given in your worksheet. Please